The thing about buying equipment is sometimes you get a part that just doesn't jive with the make and the model or the serial number. And that doesn't mean that you necessarily got a lemon or that it's been stolen or fixed or what have you. Sometimes it's just that people put things on there from different years that are left over or from a different crate and nobody says shit. And then when it's time to repair a leak like this one right here, the customer says, "What the fuck? This doesn't look like the diagrams." And that's where I'm at right now. Josie. Hey. Kitty, kitty, kitty. Josie. Meow, help me. Help me. Meow.